So if you're getting this error when you're trying to uninstall League of Legends from your PC, I will show you how to solve it. So the first thing that we need to do to solve this error is to go to the Windows taskbar and we're going to click on Show Hidden Icons, like so. Then as you can see we have the Riot Client icon right here and we're going to right click on it, then we're going to click on Exit. And now what we want to do is to go to Windows search bar and we're going to search for add or remove programs. As you can see, it's right here. We're going to open it. Now what you want to do is to search for League of Legends. For me it's right here, but if you can't find it, all you have to do is to go to search bar again and search for it. Then what you want to do after you find League of Legends is to click on these three dots, then on uninstall. Again on uninstall, and as you can see now we are not getting the error we had. And now League of Legends is uninstalling from our PC. And as you can see, the uninstall process was successful. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.